Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Basic Statistics. Today we are going to discuss one more important problem of real numbers, that is irrationals. Okay, how to prove that irrational? We will assume given number as irrational. We will go in the contradiction method. Let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Is an rational number. Rational number is nothing but root 3 plus root 5 is equals to p by q, where p comma q are integers. You can say here p comma q are integers and q value not equals to 0. Okay. Now let us do squaring on both sides. If we apply squaring on both sides, root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equals to p by q whole square. Now if we observe RHS side, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the expansion of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square expansion a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let us expand RHS in the form of a plus b whole square. If we expand, it becomes root 3 whole square plus root 5 whole square plus 2ab. 2 into root 3 into root 5 is equals to, we can written as p square by q square. Now square and root gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. What is left? 3 plus 5 plus 2 into root 3 into root 5. We know the identity. Root a into root b can be written as root a into b. It means it can be written as root 3 into 5 becomes root 15 is equals to p square by q square. Next, 3 plus 5 becomes 8 plus 2 root 15 is equals to p square by q square. Now let us separate rational numbers into the one side, irrational numbers into the one side. 2 root 15 is the irrational, 8 is the rational. Let us separate. 2 root 15 is equals to p square by q square minus 8 by 1. So the LCM becomes here q square. Then it can be written as p square minus 8q square. Now this is the value of 2 root 15. Now root 15 is equals to, it becomes p square minus 8q square by q square. Now already we all numbers know root 15 is a rational or irrational. It is a irrational. But we got here rational because we are going in the contradiction here. So our assumption is wrong. Here we have to write, since p comma q are integers, p comma q are integers, then p square minus 8q square by q square is a rational number. Is a rational number. But root 15 is irrational number. Root 15 is irrational number. Therefore, what we will say? Therefore, our assumption is wrong. What our assumption is wrong? We assumed root 3 plus root 5 is rational. That is wrong. If root 3 plus root 5 is rational, wrong, then which one is correct? Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Is an, we can say, irrational number. Hence, proved. Hence, proved. Let us discuss one more problem of irrational numbers, that is root 3 minus 2 root 7. How to do this problem? Same process. We have to assume that what I should assume? Root 3 minus 2 root 7 is a rational number. Same method. Again, you are going in the contradiction method only. Is an rational number. Is an rational number is nothing but it is in the form of p by q. It means root 3 minus 2 root 7 is equals to, we have to say p by q. Now we have to apply squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then it becomes root 3 minus 2 root 7 whole square is equals to p square by q square. Now if you observe, RHS in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the a minus b whole square expansion? A minus b whole square expansion, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now if you observe, a minus b whole square, instead of a we have a root 3 and instead of b we have a 2 root 7. Let us expand in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square. A square is nothing but root 3 whole square plus b square is nothing but 2 root 7 whole square minus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into 2 root 7 is equals to what is there already expanded p square by q square. Now square and root gets cancelled. It becomes 3. Now 2 root 7 whole square is nothing but it can be written as 2 root 7 into 2 root 7. 2 times it will be repeated. 2 2s are 4. Root 7 into root 7 becomes 7. 4 7s are, it becomes 28. Let us write here 28 minus. Let us multiply rational to rational, irrational to irrational. 2 2s are 4 minus. Already we learned root a into root b can be written as root a into b. It means here root 3 into root 7 can be written as root 21 is equals to p square by q square. Now 3 plus 28 becomes 31 minus 4 root 21 is equals to p square by q square. Now let us separate rational numbers into the one side, irrational numbers into the one side. 31 is the rational number, 4 root 21 is irrational, p square by q square is the irrational. So rational. Now we have to separate rational to rational, irrational to irrational. 31 minus p square by q square is equals to 4 root 21. Now it becomes by 1. LCM becomes the q square. Then it can be written as 31 q square minus p square is equals to 4 root 21. Now 31 q square minus p square by 4 q square is equals to root 21. We all know root 21 can be written as root 7 into 3. It's not a perfect square. It means root 21 is a irrational number. But we got a rational number. Since, why we got a rational number? Since p comma q belongs to integers, then which one belongs to integer rational number? 31 q square minus p square by 4 q square is a rational number. Why we got a rational number? Because we assumed as a rational number. It means our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Then which one is correct? Then automatically they given root 3 minus 2 root 7 is irrational. That statement is correct. Root 3 minus 2 root 7 is an irrational number. Hence, proved. For more important problem, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.